and nonfiction writing about animals, and we also looked at poetry. And Miss Folletti's class studied many different animals, but we were particularly fascinated with penguins. So we are going to show you our dance that we made from what we learned about the way penguins move and how they live. These are emperor penguins who live in Antarctica. And you'll see some of the penguins are big penguins, daddy penguins, and the little penguins are actually the daddy penguin keeps the egg on his feet to keep it up off the ice. And when the little baby hatches, he keeps the baby penguin on his feet. So we're going to see the penguins on the ice. We're going to see them with their babies and daddies. We're going to see them swimming, all right? So here we have Antarctic Antics, Miss Folletti's class. Can you guys go and make a circle? Okay. To keep myself up off the ice, I find my father's feet are nice. I snuggle in his belly fluff, and that's how I stay warm enough. But when my father takes a walk, my cozy world begins to rock. He shuffles left. I hang on tight. Oh no, he's wobbling to the right. Oops. Not left again. Oops. Here he goes. Do you suppose my father knows I'm hanging on to his warm toes? And to the ice penguins we walk. Jump, swimming, glide. Good. Get ready to jump back on the ice. Okay, ready? Good. Jump. Ready. Go, slide. Ladies, go, slide. Make a line for the bow. Penguins, we go. We go. Miss McKenna's reminded me, Miss Milletti wanted everyone to know that she was assigned to score the ELA test today. She's very upset about not being here. Her class has been wonderful to work with. She's done a wonderful job with them, but she's here in her heart, but not her body, right? So she is scoring test today. All right. And we move now to Miss Weaver's class. They study bees, actually, the life of bees. Okay? And I'm going to set up their hive, and then they're going to come up. made our dance around the idea of points of view. How you feel about your life as a being depends on if you're a queen or So we see the boys on one side by the hive. Okay. Ladies, so we have the queen bee here on one side with her royal attendants who take care of her. And we have the poor worker bees here who have to do all of the hard work of maintaining the hive. We used a poem by Paul Fleshman called Joyful Noise, and it's a bee's life. So Mr. Peter and I are going to speak the bees' voice, actually, together. Eating a bee
is a joy.
is a pain.
I'm a queen.
I'm a worker.
I'll gladly explain. Upon rising, I'm fed by my royal attendants. Then I'm bathed, then I'm groomed.
Meanwhile, the worker bees, poor worker bees. I'm a worker bee, and I'll gladly explain my life. I'm up at dawn guarding the hive.
I lay eggs by the hundred. I'm loved and adored. I'm outraged by none.
Queen bee's work is done after laying her eggs. She gets to relax, but not our worker bees. I collect nectar from a field, and then I pack the comb with honey and wax. Not my idea of fun.